Hello, let's go. So, today I'm going to be testing make.com for the first time. Um, I've never done it before, so I'm gonna share my screen, do it with you all. And I have really big hopes and big interest in this tool because it can automate literally everything. Let's just see. Let's just watch together. So I'm gonna share my screen. And this is Make, the website that we will be checking out today. Um it's interesting. Actually, you can automate whole workflows and tasks using this tool. You can just create a trigger and then decide what to do. It can be integrated to send messages, communicate with databases, send emails. It's crazy. And the crazy part is that we can use this for free for thousands of operations. So think of sending an email as one operation. You get 1,000 times to do that. So pretty impressive. They have a really cool video out here. Check it out. I'll leave the link of their website below. Uh, and yeah, so let's get started. Get started free. That's what we want. Let me connect my Google account. And then we're signing up. We would like to host in the EU. I live in Hungary. And let's sign up for free. Okay, what's my role? I am a freelancer consultant working with web development. I would say freelancer and consultant. Use case, artificial intelligence mainly. The automation experience. I have no experience with automation. So how did you hear about us? I heard about you through really cool YouTube videos, and I would like to mention these guys. I'm gonna link these two YouTube videos down below, but they have a really interesting uh, way to present this whole solution. That's what inspired me to actually go live today. So check out these two videos. Okay, thank you as well. Let's get started with Make. So interesting. So we get a dashboard. We can create a new scenario. Can see a few things in here. This is an exploration tab. Welcome. Scenario builder. It has more than 2,000 apps integrated within this thing, and they have the so-called templates or bundles that are pre-built blocks that we can check. I think in here in the templates, we can see that they already connected Google Sheet and Gmail, so you can just take it, connect your account, and then it would be working. But coming back to the dashboard, select a trigger. So what would be the first step? Then select an action. The trigger would be, interesting. I can test out right here. Okay, Google Sheet. Once someone submits a form, it gets to a Google Sheet. And then what do I want to do? An AI response. Okay, so interesting. It takes me here, generate a GPT completion form. Effort, let's see, this is a short description. Start guided setup, create a new scenario from this template. So we get an input, we generate ChatGPT completion, and we paste the input. That's not exactly what we want. So maybe let's choose something else. Or maybe let's just start off from the templates. So checking the templates, I'm sure that there are some that connects. Let me use Google Forms as an input. So let's check here. So from Google Forms, is there something connected with AI? No, I cannot see any. Okay, that won't be an issue because we can do it with Google Sheet. Because once a Google form is submitted, the Google Sheet will be a row in the Google Sheet would be generated. So let's see here. What if, so this is the one that it suggested to complete the rows. This is analyze sentiment in customer feedback on Google Sheet using ChatGPT. Interesting. This is something that goes to Google Slides. Interesting. Add competitor website to Google Sheet and make perform competitor SWOT analysis. Google Slides full visual presentation. Very interesting. I'm amazed. Okay, what else do we have here? I think we can go with that one. Okay. This is also. Let me see if there is one with Google Docs. That would be easier to manipulate. Nice. Okay, create from new rows in Google Sheet using content generation. And this is main document updates. New data from sheet. Okay, this is for updating and this is for creating. So I'll go with the create one. Start guided setup. Create a connection name, my Google connection. Yeah, why not? Sign in with Google. My account. Allow everything. The more authority. Okay, I think it's connected. And let's choose spreadsheet. And we don't have one yet. So let's create a spreadsheet. I'm doing this in the background. Okay, so I'm gonna create a Google form and then generate a spreadsheet out of it. So here, let's create a new Google form. Let's call it user input. And this would require an email. In these settings, do we require an email from the user? We do require an email because we can send the response of the report by email to the guy or to the lady. So yes, the email should be needed. And then the first question is, what did you study? What did you work as? What do you currently do? Nice. Okay, and this would be a paragraph, and I would add another element, which would be what are your interests? What are your goals? What are your plans. Okay, perfect. Tack, and then let's publish this. Anyone with the link? Yes, right? Let's see. I think we can go with the default publish. We're more interested in the Excel or the sheet file that it will generate. Got it. Okay, let's preview. So my email. What did you study? Computer science engineering. What did you work as? I worked as mobile developer, desktop developer, backend developer with .NET, and full currently full stack developer. And I will not mention that with .NET because I want to keep it a bit more general. Okay, and then my interests are in AI, startups, automation, education, freelance, side hustles, and community engagement. Okay, interesting. I cannot submit the form, so let me go and try to answer it. Leave, published. Okay, that's my second answer. Let me copy this link. Let me access, and now I can submit it. So this would be my email. This would be my first answer. And this would be my second answer. Okay, form submitted. Good. Now what we can do is that we can check the response. We can create a new spreadsheet of the responses. Let's create it. Perfect. And now we have our spreadsheet, and let's see where it's currently located. That's the right location. Okay, and I think we can move tag. I'll keep this for later. And then let's choose the file. Coming back to make, under nice, it has good folder structuring. So professional, projects, Horizons AI, and then the spreadsheet here. Nice, okay. Name your spreadsheet. Name of the sheet. Yeah, that's probably form response. Let me check. Yes. Continue. Okay. choose where to start. I think I'll go with all. Okay, interesting. So now I moved to the second step. So let's create a connection with OpenAI, and let's call it my OpenAI connection. The API key, I think I have it prepared somewhere. Yes. So that's my API key. Organization ID I do not have. Let's save. Let's try to create a connection. Interesting. Okay, let's save it. And I have that in place. Okay, I think I need to have some credits. Credits remaining, add payment, review usage. Payment methods, preferences. I think I need to connect a credit card in order to be billed. Okay, I think I have $18 for some reason. So credits remaining. I don't get it, whether I still have $0 or I already spent everything and the remaining is zero. I don't know. Okay, let's try. If I would like to pay, how is the process? So then add payment. Let me try it without the payment, and then if it's failing, then I can add that later. What do I want to test? Select methods, create ChatGPT completion, create a prompt. Completion. Whether it's a chat or just a prompt. I'll go with a prompt, or maybe with a chat, because this is more advanced. Okay, here we can select the model. We have several things, including the O1 preview. So let me see if I switch to the other option. What models do I have here? Okay, I have kind of like a more basic, but the 3.5 turbo is not so bad. Okay, I'll go with the better options. I don't know why I'm being cheap. So I'll be using GPT-4o maybe for this operation. And yeah, GPT-4o mini would be good, I think. It's refreshing. Okay, nice. Then we get the message. We need to specify a role, and it would be an assistant. Add text. Nice. Okay, let's create a prompt for this tool. So I'll be using ChatGPT to generate a prompt. And let's prompt it. You're an expert in prompt engineering and automation. I would like to use a website called make.com, and I'm integrating a task for ChatGPT to receive answers stored in a spreadsheet and create an article format and uh, paste some content in Google Docs. So I want you to create the prompt that will be given to ChatGPT with the input of the user, which would be the answer to what they studied, what they worked, what they're doing, and what are they. The second question is for what are they interested in, their goals, and their interests. And based on these two answers, the prompt should instruct the model to generate a career guidance report where it's uplifting, motivating, and positive about the opportunities that that person has, about the alternative career paths that they can take. Uh, so keep it brief when it comes to text, but mainly the input after one paragraph should be 10 options of career alternative paths based on where they are currently and based on what are their interests. And feel free to be specific, like for example, a software engineer can become an architect and can become a product owner, but also try to be creative when and realistic, that a software engineer can become a consultant, can become an entrepreneur, can become a trainer, can even go into education and start tutoring people. So I don't know, but come up with a good logic and matrix and set of steps in order to generate the things that the user will be very interested in and interested to learn more about the alternatives that they have. So these 10 what is it called? These 10 suggestions should be properly structured, each one having the name of the position, the duration, how much time does it take to reach there, uh, why it's a good thing, and the roadmap uh, simply in simple way to get there, like in 3 steps. Uh, do the same for the 10 suggestions and structure them properly in a doc where it can easily be read, but also copied and pasted as content somewhere else, or maybe parsed later on and be fed into an HTML. Make sure to include all instructions that you see relevant in order to create a performant prompt that does not take a lot of tokens as input and output. Nice. Perfect. Let's see. It gave us a prompt. So you're an expert and career advisor, writer, specializing in parameterized career. Nice, nice, nice. So you will take the background information and the interests and goals, and then you report under this format with an introduction, a short paragraph, use motivational language, and then their career alternatives for each alternative, the name, the time, why it's a great fit, and the roadmap, guidelines of the career, be specific, realistic, think creatively, nice, out of the box career paths, emerging fields, concise, output style. Nice, nice, nice. I love this. I love using AI to tell me how to speak with AI. That's the easiest way to get good output. That's an example of an output. Nice, nice, nice. Additional instruction for the AI. Do I like the example? Nice. Ta-da-na, ta-da-na, na-na. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Certification, transition, and then application. Very realistic. This is exactly what I need. So let me go back to nice, good filtering. Where can I write something? Okay, I don't know if I can have that input properly formatted for make. No. Okay, perfect. Then I need to find, okay, then let me edit it here. Tac. Tac. Okay. 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 This is okay. Well, what I'm doing, so I'm formatting the prompt. I forgot to speak, and I'm gonna mention that we got this answer from the user in the prompt, so that ChatGPT can properly analyze it. So this is the user's answer to this question. Or maybe I can add the user section later, or do I get only one message? Ta-da-na. Message one. I can add another message. And the role would be user. Nice. Okay. Perfect. Then no need to add this here, because this is just an instruction. So report format, short introduction, and then 10 career alternatives. Okay, I think it would be smart enough, even if I do not format it, it can understand this whole thing. Let me just break down the example. Ta-da-da-da-da. Okay, perfect. And now what we can do is to, where did I skip this? Let's create a user prompt and we will give these two questions. So what did you study? We show that to ChatGPT. And the second question is, what are your interests and plans? And we also give it to ChatGPT. And then we will tell it. Okay, perfect. Now, after you created the system prompt, I want you to create the user prompt and I will include in the user prompt the answers of the user of these two questions, what they studied and what they worked, and also their interests and goals. So create a good user prompt briefly, and create placeholders where I will put the answer of these questions. Okay. Okay. Let's just copy this section and let's get back to make. Let's check the second message. Okay, I think I need to make some saving. Continue. Let me get back here. If I can add a message with the role of a user. It's strange, so I cannot prompt the user. So if I specify system, I still cannot see anything. Maybe this is the demo. So I can add it in the end here. Okay. So first my background, and second my interest, and I will say this is my answer to this question. So the question is the first one. And my answer is coming from the Google form. And then second, my interests and goals. I would copy the same thing. The question is another one. What are your interests, your goals, and your future plans? And it would be this answer. Okay, it created several times. Okay, only one is enough. Perfect. Let's continue. Nice. And then we want to create a new Google Docs and choose a location. It would be under professional projects, Horizons AI. Continue. Nice. What? What document it will generate? Run the scenario, schedule a scenario, edit your scenario. Here. Okay, so it gave this pre-filled, so the content. This parameter supports HTML. Nice. But I'm not happy with the content like this. Where does this come from? It comes from OpenAI. There are choices. There are usage. So the choices, we have message and we have a content. Okay, then I think it would be nice. Okay, should we give it a try? I can't believe that's it. Okay, and then run once, maybe. Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay, how can I see the logs? Let's ask its AI. Nice. Edit scenario, create JSON, write an email, ask anything. Let's see the template. Okay. Where can I find the logs? I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm struggling. Okay, let's see. Maximum tokens. It's limited to 1,000. Okay, maybe this involves setting up my OpenAI account. Let's see if we can. Here we can see the logs. Maybe we should save first and then we run again. No, same issue. Spreadsheet ID and then sheet ID. So here it's expecting spreadsheet ID. Okay, I think I need to set it again. Professional projects. And then under Horizons AI, you should, my friend, find a spreadsheet. The name is this one. Contains headers. Rows with headers. In the first row, the limit to 2. Okay. Maybe here we need to give the document ID. So the ID can be found here from this point until the edit. I think this is it, right? Okay, so here let's keep an ID. No, it does not work like that. I don't get it. Okay, so now is it properly set up? Yes, let's run once. Okay, nice. Then the first step was properly executed. And now we have an issue because I exceeded my OpenAI budget. Okay, let's pop up some money. I don't know how much this would charge me, but it would be worth it. I'm sure of it. So here we can close. This is OpenAI, add payment as an individual. Tac. Let's verify that it's me. The country would be Hungary, in Retek, Utsa. You guys know where I live now, in Budapest. Continue, select billing address country. We mentioned that we would like it to be Hungary. Okay. What? Card security code is incomplete. Ah. Let me check. Continue. Nice, okay. Configure payment, initial credit purchase. Yeah, $10 is good. Would you like to set up automatic recharge? Yes, I'm gonna be billed, so I can check it. Bring credit balance back to. Okay, continue. Then let's not automatically add it. I'll think about that later. Nice, okay. It's 12.7 now. Allah Akbar. Okay, let's proceed with the payment. I hope I shouldn't have done a subscription to ChatGPT Pro. Maybe that comes with some tokens, but anyway, let's run it again. And again, it's failing. Okay, because I can see it now here. Usage. So we still did not get that. So here, let's go for the connection. Let's add another connection. I think the same API key would go well. This is what we want. Show advanced settings. We do not really need anything from this. So let's save everything. What was the issue here? Let's run it again. And same problem. let's ask the AI. Open AI task was failing because I didn't have credits. I added credit now, but it still is still it is still not working. Okay. Pararara. This is how you create an API key. And these are some other things. Okay, let's refresh the whole thing. Okay. I really hope we can see some activity. Everything is set to 1 here. I'm thinking maybe if it does not work, I can create a second API key. So let's edit. Everything is saved. Let's refresh the connection. I hope you can still have everything. Help. For the billing, we have some money. Okay, hopefully it works, no? And it does not work. And it's because of a batch thing. Let's go and create a new API key. And it will be the second API key. And it has all permissions. Let's copy it. Let's paste it here. Okay, let's save. Let's run again. So I think this is working. So it's just an issue with updating the API key. Wow, this is loading. Okay, guys. We're soon gonna see if this is actually gonna work in less than an hour. Wow. Wow, we have a response, guys. Wow. Let's see. Let's really see what happens. So we are in Horizons AI. Let's refresh. And we have a new file added with my email as the name. Does it? Wow, I can't believe my life. No way. So look at this. Okay, career guidance report. It gave an introduction after I said everything about myself. So congratulations on your journey with the tech world, with computer science, engineering, and interest in AI startups and all of these things, let's dive into your amazing opportunities so I can become an AI developer uh, in less than a year. Nice. And I can be a product manager in tech. In few years, I can be a startup founder, which is ongoing. Nice. And I don't know, it's just by using this tool, it thought that I'm creating this automation for my business. But no, I'm not a founder yet. Freelance developer, an automation engineer, a tech educator, and online courses. Data analyst, community manager for tech platforms. It only gave 8 recommendations. But this is nice. This looks really nice. Let's edit the prompt and make sure to always include emojis. Pararara. In the format, short paragraph, or maybe we can set it at the end. Let's remove the roadmap section. Okay. This was for the roadmap. Let's delete it from here as well. Okay, no more roadmaps. Nice. Okay, that would make the document shorter. And we would like to mention to include emojis. Nice, nice, nice. Include emojis and keep the output well presented. Nice. Okay, good. Let's check how would the output be if we paste it in MD file. So if we take, or if we just download this as an MD file, which is Markdown, which is why we have this dollar signs, and you can open it with a file editor or a code editor. Okay. There are backslashes. So let's find any backslash. Shit, I don't have the shortcut here, and every backslash we would like to replace it with an empty string. So I think files to include is Mahdi bin Ayed. No, not the name, but just the extension. So here. Let's see. How to actually execute it. Anyway, this needs some formatting, but overall this looks really nice. Maybe by just copying everything and pasting it. Okay. This was resolved quicker than I thought. So you can get an introduction, career alternatives, AI developer, product manager, and so on. This looks really nice. This looks really, really, really nice. Okay, perfect. Then, in less than an hour, we demoed how with these three tiles, we were able to create an impressive thing. We can redo the whole process one last time. Let's imagine that you are you would like to answer this for yourself. So let's do a simulation. So your email would be Mr. Mahdi. What did you currently study? So let's say that you studied physiotherapy. Okay, I'm not really good with this field. So let's say that I studied uh, finance and business. Currently work as a data analyst. And what are your interests? I'm interested in green technologies. I'm also interested in helping people, art, AI, and money. Okay, let's submit it. And then let's go and execute the whole thing again. This can be set to be scheduled every 15 minutes or every 5 minutes or whatever. So we're getting the new rows in the spreadsheet because after submitting a form, our spreadsheet gets added. You can see the new row that was added now. And let's get back to make and see, okay, everything was done, perfect. So you can always check the output from here. So I think if we go to this, exactly, we see the bundle and in here under messages, in the output, we have choices and then we have message, right? And then, no, we have something else. Choices, one, index. How do we get the actual, here, the content. So here we see that it was actually successful and it included some emojis. So let's see it in the file right now. So this is it to our code editor. And let's see, career guidance report, unlocking your future. Nice, 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 nice. Congratulations on finance and business. Really nice. So you can be a sustainability consultant. You can be a data scientist in green tech. You can be financial analysts for nonprofits. Nice. This is exactly what I had in mind. Product manager for AI solutions, AI ethist, art, data analyst, wow, green finance specialist. No one would know that these things exist if you do not ask it. Social impact strategist, art and technology. Nice. Now we generated 10 suggestions and a conclusion without the roadmap, which is perfect. And then, nice conclusion. Your diverse interests provides a wealth of pathways to explore that not only leverage your skills, but also fuels your passion for making a difference in the world. As you consider these exciting career alternatives, remember that each step forward is an important part of your unique journey. Embrace the opportunities that resonate with you and never hesitate to pursue what ignites your enthusiasm. The future is bright, and with your background and interest, you are well equipped to create a meaningful impact. Thank you so much, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Bam.